Ever wondered how you could start earning money right from your bedroom? Welcome to the world of freelancing, a universe where your skills and time can translate into income, all from the comfort of your own space. In recent years, freelancing has surged in popularity, especially among teenagers. It's a growing trend that's reshaping how we think about work and career paths. But what's behind this freelancing phenomenon? Why are more and more teenagers turning to this mode of work? Well, the answer lies in the unique benefits freelancing offers. First and foremost, freelancing provides flexibility. No longer are you tied to a traditional 9-to-5 schedule. You can work whenever you want, wherever you want. It's the perfect fit for busy teenagers juggling school, extracurricular activities, and social lives. Next, freelancing offers the potential for income at a young age. Whether you're saving for college, your first car, or simply want some extra pocket money, freelancing can provide an avenue for you to earn. It's not about working endless hours at a part-time job, it's about monetizing your skills and passions. Lastly, freelancing provides an incredible opportunity to gain work experience. You're not just earning money, you're learning valuable skills, building a portfolio, and making connections. By freelancing, you're setting the foundation for your future career. But let's not forget, freelancing is not just about work. It's about freedom and independence. It's about taking control of your time and your life. It's about breaking free from the traditional norms and paving your own path. Indeed, freelancing can be a game changer. It's an exciting, dynamic, and empowering world. It's a world where you're in the driver's seat, steering your life in the direction you want it to go. So, are you ready to dive into this world? Are you ready to take the leap and become a freelancer? It may seem daunting at first, but remember, every journey starts with a single step. Indeed, the world of freelancing opens up a realm of possibilities. But where does one start? Well, stay tuned as we navigate the world of freelancing platforms in our next segment. To kickstart your freelancing journey, you need to find the right platform. Now, there's a whole universe of freelancing platforms out there, each with its own unique offerings and opportunities. Let's dive into some of the most popular ones. First up, we have Upwork, a platform that boasts a wide range of job categories. You can find gigs for everything from graphic design to virtual assistants. The most interesting thing about Upwork is that it allows you to bid on jobs. This means you get to set your own rates and negotiate directly with clients. Next, we move on to Fiverr, a platform famous for its unique concept. Unlike traditional job boards, Fiverr flips the script. You, the freelancer, post the services you offer and set your own rates. Clients then browse through these gigs and choose the one that best fits their needs. It's like setting up your own mini online store. Then there's Freelancer, a platform that's been around for quite some time. Like Upwork, Freelancer also allows you to bid on jobs. But what sets it apart is its contest feature. Clients post a brief for a project and freelancers submit their work. The client then picks the best submission and that freelancer gets the gig. It's a great way to showcase your skills and compete with others in your field. Now, navigating these platforms might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. It's all about understanding the process. Generally, you create a profile, browse through the jobs or gigs, submit a proposal or bid, and if the client likes your work, you get the job. Remember, be professional and showcase your skills effectively. Also, don't forget to check the reviews and ratings of potential clients. Just as they're evaluating you, you should be evaluating them. After all, freelancing is a two-way street. Choosing the right platform is just the beginning. Next comes the crucial part, making yourself stand out. In the sea of freelancers, how do you make sure clients pick you for their projects? You may be wondering, well, let's dive in. Imagine yourself as a brand. In the digital world, your profile is your storefront, so make it shine. It's crucial to create a strong profile that reflects your skills and experience. Think about what makes you unique and let it be known. Are you a night owl who can turn around projects in record time? Or maybe you're a detail-obsessed proofreader who never misses a comma. Whatever it is, make sure it's front and center on your profile. Now let's talk about your portfolio. This is your chance to show, not just tell, what you can do. If you're a graphic designer, share some of your best designs. If you're a writer, showcase a variety of writing styles. Remember, your portfolio should be a reflection of your skills and versatility. Once your profile and portfolio are set, it's time to focus on proposals. Writing a compelling proposal is just like making a sales pitch. You need to convince the client that you're the best person for the job, so make sure your proposal is specific, personalized, and clearly outlines how you can solve their problem. Now on to pricing. This can be a bit tricky. You want to set competitive yet fair prices. Too low, and you might come off as inexperienced. Too high, and you might scare off potential clients. Do some research, know your worth, and price accordingly. Finally, let's talk about quality. Delivering top-notch work is the best way to earn good reviews and build your reputation. Remember, happy clients often become repeat clients, and they might even refer you to others. So always strive for excellence and exceed expectations whenever possible. And there you have it. Those are some tips to help you stand out in the freelancing world. But remember, consistency and quality are key to building a strong reputation. Keep honing your skills, deliver quality work, and soon enough, you'll be making your mark. But it's not all rainbows and unicorns in the freelancing world. Indeed, the path of a freelancer is paved with a unique set of challenges, some of which may be quite daunting. Let's delve into these dark corners to shed some light on what you might face, and more importantly, how you can overcome them. Firstly, dealing with difficult clients is almost a rite of passage for any freelancer. These are the clients who might be excessively demanding, discourteously critical, or just plain indecisive. Remember, as a freelancer, you're not just a service provider, but also a business owner. That means learning the art of negotiation, setting clear boundaries, and navigating tricky interpersonal dynamics. Next, there's the specter of dry spells. A dry spell is a period without any gigs or projects on your plate. This can be a stressful time as your income might take a hit, but remember, it's a natural part of the freelancing cycle. During these times, you can focus on honing your skills, marketing your services, or even taking a well-deserved break. Always have a financial cushion for such times, and remember, storms do pass. Then there's the financial aspect. Unlike traditional jobs, freelancing doesn't come with a prepackaged financial plan. You're responsible for managing your taxes, saving for retirement, and juggling irregular income. This might seem overwhelming, but with a little learning and some discipline, it's entirely manageable. There are plenty of resources out there to help you navigate this aspect. Lastly, let's talk about the emotional toll. Freelancing can be a lonely path. You're your own boss, yes, but that also means you're your own support system. It's important to build a network, reach out to other freelancers, and remember to take care of your mental health. Freelancing, like any other job, comes with its own set of challenges, but with the right mindset and preparation, you can overcome them. Remember, every profession has its highs and lows, and freelancing is no different. The key is to stay resilient, adaptable, and ever ready to learn. After all, the beauty of freelancing is in its freedom and flexibility, and with the right approach, you can make it work for you. So, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of freelancing? Well, let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. We've covered a lot of ground in this video, and it's important to remember the key takeaways before you embark on your freelancing journey. First off, we discovered the freelancing phenomenon. Remember, freelancing is not a side hustle or a part-time job. It's a full-fledged career option that offers flexibility, independence, and the chance to work on projects that truly excite you. Next, we navigated the vast and varied world of freelancing platforms. Each platform has its unique features and advantages, so it's crucial to choose the one that aligns with your skills and interests. From Fiverr's gig-based model to Upwork's project-based approach, there's a platform out there for everyone. Making your mark was our third pit stop. A strong profile is your ticket to attracting potential clients. Showcase your skills, experiences, and portfolio in the best light. And remember, communication is key. Always be prompt, professional, and polite. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows, as we learned in our discussion about the dark side of freelancing. It's essential to be prepared for potential challenges, like irregular income, intense competition, and the absence of traditional job benefits. Don't be disheartened, though. With perseverance and a positive mindset, these obstacles can be overcome. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of our freelancing adventure. Remember, freelancing is not just about making money. It's about exploring your passions, developing your skills, and gaining valuable work experience. It's about carving your own path and being your own boss. So are you ready to take the plunge? Ready to embrace the challenges and reap the rewards? Because freelancing can be a rewarding way to earn money and gain work experience. So why wait? Start your freelancing journey today.